never got your love for long. I've never left when I felt so strong. I feel so far when I'm not involved. Where are your eyes when I need them all? I was sitting in the rain all of my life. I was looking out the window by the safe vibe. I've never felt the pain with a long sigh. Now I'm looking at your face through the cold ice. I was only here every time I needed. All the times you save face when I need it. I hold my hands out when I'm bleeding, and I only close my eyes when I'm breathing. It's too late now, it's too late. I can feel you slipping away. I can't take this anyway. It's too late now, it's too late. I never asked for your heart in the rain. It falling, I'd slip, then it melts away. I never asked
for all your time, for it's wasteful to be ready for the worst when you know it'll come to pass. But how could I help it? You're slipping away. The words that you say, I'm treated like a play. Now I'm acted up and you've had enough. We're both further than we seem. That's everything, if that's anything, and that's it to come and that I never asked for your heart in the rain. It falling outside, then it melts.